This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to print doctor's notes. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. To print the doctor's note, you can either select the patient whose note you want to print, or go directly to the notes. Then, click on the three dots icon. Select Print. Please ensure that the signatory setting is completed so that the name and signature of the person who reviewed the patient appear on the note. To learn how to set up the signatory, you may watch the RenalGenie tutorial, Configure e-signature. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest features and enhancements in RenalGenie.